What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today we're going to be looking at creating a very simple title block, which is what we have here. So we will draw the actual title block, all the lines and shapes, as well as put in all of the text, which is pretty standard text for the majority of the title blocks that you will come across. So first things first, what you guys need to do is go ahead and pause the video and get this shape drawn out with these dimensions. These dimensions aren't in any way specific. These are just, I made it up as I went. So draw the title block to these dimensions, and then when you're done, unpause the video and we will get started on the text portion. Okay, so by now you should have the title block drawn. So what we're going to do, and this is what you should have right here, this basic block. And then from here, we're just going to add in the text. So for this text in this title block, we're going to use the M text for multi-line text. The shortcut for that is just going to be T. So the first thing we want to get drawn in is we'll do this area right here where it says school or company name. So we'll activate the T command for text. And then we will click in the top left corner and go to the bottom right corner. And then a text entry box will pop up. And then in there we will do school. Let me start that over. And in this box we'll type school or company name, whichever you desire. And we're going to select all of it, and we'll make it at 0.25 inches tall. And then for justification, we want it to be middle center, which means it's going to align this, it's going to center it in this box, and also vertically it's going to center it. So there's that. And then for the rest of these, get these turned back on. You can see here that all the spacing around the smaller text is a 0.05 TYP, which means typical, which means it applies to all unless otherwise stated. So let's go ahead and get this title drawn here. So what we're going to do is we need to set the 0.05 point, which is going to be right there. So select the layer. Again, we'll use the text command, and you can just draw a window out like this. And we'll type in title. Then we'll select all, and this needs to be 0.1 inches high. And then that one is done. So I'm not going to walk through all of these. That's pretty much everything you need to know to do all of these. I'll do one more with you. We'll do these right here since these are centered. But again, it's at that 0.05 distance here. So we'll just grab the center line here and come down 0.05. Sorry, I'll try that again. We're just going to go ahead and do this here. I believe this box was for the cage, so we'll type in cage, and we'll select all, select the 0.1 font, and then we will move it down 0.05, and then center it in there. So between those two, you guys should be able to completely fill in the rest of this. Like the scale and sheet of, which would be sheet 1 of 2 or 1 of 3. It still has this 0.05 gap here, but it's centered vertically. Same with the sheet over here. But all of these are justified in the top left corner, same way we did this. So what you could do in reality is just copy this one from this corner here, and you can just paste it down a couple times. Then you can double click on it to activate the editor and select all, and you can do whichever text you need there. So it'd be drawn, checked, approved. Same thing with this one here. Go ahead and grab all this text so I don't have to retype it. So you'll do from top left to bottom right. And you'll paste it all in, select all. You want to do a 0.1 height. And with this one, the justification again is going to be middle center. And there you go. So yeah, I hope this guys helped you out a little bit. If you guys wouldn't mind, smash that like button, hit the subscribe. It'll really help the channel. And yeah, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see me do more of this. So yeah, thanks for coming.